All right, guys, Fort Worth, Texas right now. Got called out to pick this thing up. It is actually a seat. It's a love seat or something. I guess it pulls out, but they called me out to pick this up just now. All right, this is the JunkGuysDfw.net. We're out here in Fort Worth, Texas, where they called me out to pick up this sofa right here. A chair, sofa chair, I guess. $45 flat fee. It's really small. It's not much. It's the size of like a washer or a dryer or a fridge. So we charge the same thing. Non-recyclable item goes straight to the landfill. Now, if this item is donatable, we will donate it. If we can give it away, we'll give it away too. But as you can tell, it's neither I or neither O. What's not donatable or nothing. It doesn't matter. There it is, guys. Give us a call, 214-777-3095. Check us out online at JunkGuysDfw.net.